Let's think about number 7 from our workshop. Does this number line show fifths, sixths, or sevenths? How do you know? Share your answer out loud. I heard you say that this number line shows sixths because from 0 to 1 is one whole. And the whole is partitioned into 6 equal intervals or parts. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means that each of these intervals represents 1/6. Nice work. I noticed that some scholars got fifths or sevenths. What mistake did they make to get fifths and sevenths? Look carefully. What mistake did they make if they got fifths? I heard you say if they got fifths, they might have counted the lines in between 0 and 1. There are 5 lines, so this friend might have thought that the lines represent the fractional parts. How would they get sevenths? Share your idea out loud. That's right. If they got sevenths, maybe they counted all the lines on the number line, including our lines to mark our endpoints of 0 and 1. Both of these strategies are incorrect. Why? That's right. Both of these strategies are incorrect because the lines do not represent the fractional parts. We learned that the intervals, or the spaces, represent the fractional parts on a number line. Just like we count spaces on a ruler to help us measure, we must always count spaces or intervals on our number line because they represent the fractional parts. Today, as you identify fractions on a number line, remember that we are counting the intervals to determine the total number of parts in one whole.